guys, I'm Holly with the Digital HeatFX system. I am here today. I often get asked lots and lots of questions as a sales consultant. What can I do to set my business apart from all of these other folks that are making t-shirts? Well, if you've seen us on any YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, you know we make amazing t-shirts, right? So I'm going to give you a scenario. My new client, the Lazy Parrot, just came to me for staff shirts. We know we can make amazing t-shirts, correct? So I have made their staff shirts. So as a business person, how do I grow my business? I just sold this, but I know that they have a gift shop. Well, guess what? You can fill that gift shop full of fun stuff with their logo on it that they can sell at a higher cost because it has their logo on it. And we're going to go through some numbers today and some items to show you. Don't forget about textiles, folks. You can make a ton of money. The smaller the transfer, the more money you're going to make because I can get a ton of them on a sheet. So let's take a second and I'm going to show you some amazing things this machine can do. Okay guys, we took this one logo and this one transfer and created all of this for the Lazy Parrot. So now I have just taken a customer that was just a customer buying staff t-shirts to buying items all across the table to now support their store. So here, the question of the day, we want to talk about cost, right? So let's say this bag example, nice canvas bag, nice rope. This bag was, the transfer was 50 cents and the total to make it was $5.50. So my cost was $5.50 on this. The tag were 10 cents a piece, 10 cents for a transfer, 20 cents, and that can also be used as my pricing. My hat was 22 cents for my transfer and $2.79 for the hat, all in at $3.80. I would say everything depends on demographics, folks, but I mean, I would say in a bar, restaurant type place, these would go for at least 20 bucks, okay? These are super fun. This sign came from Michael's. It was $3.99. It cost me like 80 cents of transfers. And this would probably sell in a gift shop for $20 to $25. And they have free beer tomorrow, so we're all showing up at the Lazy Parrot. Koosies, super simple. Less than $1 to make these, and we tell a lot of our customers, if you're gonna throw in a big t-shirt, throw a koozie in there. They're gonna order them next time. They're awesome. And then here's our t-shirt and our custom tag that we talked about, 20 cents. And we've already talked about the t-shirt. We know DFX will make amazing t-shirts, but I wanted to point out something else. Here, we've just put our logo in on the tag. But I get a lot of customers that are just starting or expanding new businesses. So my suggestion to them is, why don't you make a business card out of that? Don't just put your logo, put your website, put your phone number. That way, every person that just bought this t-shirt at the Lazy Parrot, there's thousands of tourists all over the place, now know where that shirt was made, and you may have some clients coming to you that you never even thought about. We may have more surprises at the end of the video, but this is going to be another surprise. This is packing, and I wanted to show you, this could be gifts for folks from the Lazy Parrot, and we have created, if I can get them out of the box, 4 slate posters. Super cool. So this is just a small demonstration of what all this machine can do. But I know the only thing that limits you with your machine is your creativity. So you guys think outside the box. These small transfers, you can get tons on a sheet, maximize your profit, and help your customers maximize theirs.